Question number 24. Match the following non-traditional machining process with the application. Machining process application. So EDM, holes and cavities in hard and brittle materials. LBM. EDM. And EDM is used to shape cemented carbide dies and punches. Dies and punches are made by EDM. And LBM is used for micro drilling and micro welding. And USM is used for holes and cavities in hard and brittle materials. And ECM is used for shaping of hard metals or reshaping of cemented carbide tools. Okay, shaping and reshaping, ECM is used. In USM, the power capacity of piezoelectric transducer is 900 watt. Which one of the following statements is true for ultrasonic machining process? So in USM, the tool vibrates at subsonic velocity. Okay, here in ultrasonic machining process, it vibrates at ultrasonic velocity. Ultrasonic velocity is 20 to 25 kilohertz. Okay, it is not vibrating at subsonic velocity, so it is not correct. USM does not employ magnetostrictive transducer. So it employ magnetostrictive transducer. So option B is also wrong. USM is an excellent process for machining ductile materials. So it is an excellent process for machining brittle materials. So all the first three options are wrong. USM often uses a slurry comprising abrasive particles and water. So option D is correct. It uses an abrasive slurry consisting of abrasive particles and water. It is correct. Option D is correct. The vibrating frequency used for the tool in ultrasonic machining is of the order of 10,000 oscillations per second, 20,000 oscillations per second, 30,000 oscillations per second, 40,000 oscillations per second. The vibrating frequency is of the order of 20 to 25 kilohertz. Okay, oscillations per second is 1 by second is hertz. Okay, 20,000 hertz, which is equal to 20 kilohertz. Okay, 20 kilohertz is a right answer. So option B is correct. The silver steel tools are recommended in USM for machining cemented carbide, tungsten carbide, titanium carbide and tantalum carbide. So they have been silver steel tools are used in USM for machining tungsten carbide. Okay, option B is correct. USM is best suited for brittle materials. In ultrasonic machining, the material is removed by anodic dissolution, thermal melting, abrasive action, electrochemical oxidation. The material is removed by abrasive action. So option C is correct. What type of tool should be used to reduce power requirement during large diameter hole drilling in USM? So the type of tool used for large diameter hole drilling is drilling tool, annular cutters, trepanning tool, hypodermic needle. Trepanning tool is used in USM to reduce the power requirement during large diameter hole drilling. In ultrasonic machining, the function of the transducer is to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, convert electrical energy into mechanical vibrations, convert electrical energy into heat, convert mechanical energy into heat, convert electrical energy into mechanical vibrations. Option B is correct. In ultrasonic machining, the tool moves in transverse direction, moves in longitudinal direction, vibrates in longitudinal direction, vibrates in transverse direction. It vibrates in longitudinal direction. It doesn't move in transverse direction, it vibrates in longitudinal direction. Option C is correct. So match the suitable manufacturing process for the following parts: computer chip, metal forming dies and modules, turbine blade and glass. Okay, so here the glass is made by, so metal forming, the computer chips are made by photochemical machining. Okay, P4, computer chips are made by photochemical machining, and electrical discharge machining is used for making dies and punches. Okay, dies and punches. Okay, Q3. Then turbine blades are made by ultrasonic machining process. Okay, turbine blades are made by ultrasonic machining process, and glass are used for electrochemical machining. Glass are used for electrochemical machining. Thank you.